Hey guys, Dan from Lane's BBQ. I'm here to show you how to make the best chicken wings ever, only using 3 things: chicken, rub and sauce. Stay tuned. Now today we'll be cooking on the Traeger 885, and the first thing we want to do is we want to turn it on. So we're going to dial in our temperature fairly hot, so we're going to go upwards of 350 because chicken likes to be treated a little bit roughly and nice and hot. So here we go, dial that in, press start to ignite. Now you can do this on the Weber, you can do it on your drums, you can do it on your kettles, you can even do it on a gas grill. The hotter the better. Obviously not too hot, you don't want to burn the meat, but yeah, just to get a nice crispy skin on these chicken wings. So all trimmed up, ready to go. So you've got the drums and the flats. Now you've got the wing tips. Now we remove the wing tips. You don't have to, I just prefer it. And it's also a good treat for your dog, so don't throw them away. Or you can turn them into, save the bones for stock. So make chicken stock, vegetable chicken stock, whatever it may be, goes really good. But we'll give these guys a season. Time to apply the rub. Now we're choosing today sweet heat plus garlic squared combo. Now this is the best for chicken wings. Wait till you try it. Ready for the smoker. Now you want to give these guys a quick spritz every 15 minutes, just so they don't dry up too much. You can really spritz with anything. We just prefer water. Doesn't change the flavour of the meat at all, but you can add apple juice or anything else. Now time to add the sauce.